Hey, we got some big companies that reported earnings today before and after the bell. We got companies that hit. We got companies that miss. The Fed talked today. Man, we got a lot of spice to give y'all. Yeah, it's going down. Make sure you tap in. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter. Let's go. Hey, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang earners. It was going down today. It got real spicy. Jerome Powell hit the stage and was talking about inflation, and we have big tech earnings reporting today. We're going to talk about all of it. Before we do it, shout out to my moms and my best friend. Today is their birthday. Shout out to y'all. Love y'all. Anyways, hey, let's get into the charts. Let's get into the articles. Let's talk about it, man. It got spicy, man. Y'all not excited about earnings, man? It's been going crazy this week, man. Let me sit up. Let me adjust my height. All right, so let's get off, man. Jerome Powell, the Fed. You already know how he doing, man. You got puts on the system. The Fed coming through, and he clapping puts. If you got calls, he's clapping calls, and he's just messing the market up, man. But shout out to Chair Jerome Powell. Today, the Fed hike increased rates by 0.75 percentage. We talked about that over the weekend. We figured that it was already probably baked into the price action going into the week, so it wasn't a big surprise there. If you watch my trading cap review, I kind of talked about some of the plays I got in, kind of anticipating the 0.75 increase. Also, check my IG. I talked about five industries and sectors that it actually affect the most. But anyways, 0.75 was the ruling on that today. We saw the stock market go that away. It ripped. It ripped. NASDAQ, SPY ripped. Tech sectors popped. Reason why? Check my trading review. You would have seen the plays we got into. Shout out to the Discord. We ate today. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. He mentioned we actually think we need a period of growth below potential in order to create some slack. His words. So the Fed was giving, investors a little more voter confidence. Again, I think a lot of investors already went into this knowing that we was going to hit the 0.75. Worst case scenario would have been a whole bias point, but it hit what we expected as investors, right? So shout out to Fed Powell on that. Let's talk about Shopify. Shopify soared 12% on tech rally despite weaker earnings outlook. So overall, they kind of had the whole Alphabet Microsoft effect, reported bad earnings. They totally missed, but their stock rose 11.7% after hours. So I guess it got clapped, but if you were holding calls, congratulations. Hopefully that price action stays in that area by pre-market and opening bell so you can get out there and get your shillings. Let's talk about some more. So we had Meta, big tech company, reporting today after hours. They dipped. They got clapped once again. Facebook has been struggling, y'all. They've been struggling this year. Earnings ain't been treating them good at all. And they dropped 3% in the extended trading hours for missing the second quarter estimate top and bottom lines. I mean, Meta can't catch a break, dog. They are by far, I don't know, between them and Netflix, they are getting hit the most out of the tech sector, man. Ford Motors. Yeah, you remember Ford, right? You remember them Ford guys? The automator stock jumped 6.3 in the after hours following beating earnings and revenue in the recent quarter, helping in the part to adjust operation income that more than tripled over the previous year. So shout out to Ford, man. They trying to be in there and jump into this wave with the EV cars. Recently, they're coming out with the Mustang EV, not the little plastic one that they got out right now, but they legit coming out with the Ford Mustang EV. So they're trying to get in there and get some shillings from Tesla and all that, and maybe be another competitor to Tesla, because Tesla right now is killing the EV game. And it's funny because Tesla was trying to get Ford on the wave back in 2012, and they laughed at them. Who's getting the last laugh now? I digress. Teladoc Health plummeted 21% despite revenue beat after the company posted a $3 billion non-cash goodwill impairment charge. So Teladoc Health took a 21% slashing in the aftermarkets, even with them beating revenue. Qualcomm Yeah, Qualcomm slipped 2.6 in the extended trading hours after the chip manufacturer shared a disappointing forecast for current quarter. I'm not surprised here, to be honest with you guys. Qualcomm uh, falls in the same line with like Microsoft. I will even throw IBM in there, who are reporting earnings tomorrow. Uh, it's, I'm not surprised that they didn't hit. I mean, computer chips, computer companies just being smashed on this whole bear market, and only the strong really survive. And Nvidia and AMD have been like, you know, solid. We'll see what they'll do coming to the upcoming quarter earnings report for them. Etsy, for all my Etsy heads out there, Etsy shares surged 10% after the e-commerce company posted earnings of 51 cent per share and a revenue of 585 million in the recent quarter. Analysts expecting earnings of 31 cents a share and 556 million in revenue. So Etsy went crazy, smashing earnings. So shout out to all the Etsy heads out there, or if you got shares of Etsy, or even put some calls and play the lottery with Etsy, you might cash out nicely tomorrow after the bell. Best Buy, hey, let's keep it a buck, man. Who really shop at Best Buy? I couldn't even tell you the last time that I went to a Best Buy, right? Anyways, shares of the customer electronics retail slipped 2% after they trimmed its guidance for fiscal year. I mean, basically, Best Buy is saying what everybody is saying who's been missing. They blame it on the economy. Again, when the last time have you been to a Best Buy? Like, I have a Best Buy in our surrounding neighborhood, and I drive right by it every time, or I'll sit in Best Buy parking lot and order something on Amazon. I'm kind of spicy. Spirit Airlines, again, one of those who flies Spirit, right? I flew Spirit once, horrible experience. I would never do it again. But Spirit stock added a 2.4 after news that they would halt its agreement to merge with fellow discount carrier Frontier. Shares of Frontier added a zero point 0.7, while shares of JetBlue, which offer up a rival bid, slipped. So discount airlines, um, 2 out of 3 hit. JetBlue took a little dip, but it's good for Spirit. You know what I'm saying? I just had a bad experience, man. For me, if you had bad experience or don't shop at Best Buy, drop it in the comment. Let me know why you don't fly Spirit Airlines. I'll tell you one reason why. And this is not me bashing them or anything like that. I'm just sharing my experience. I don't like paying for bags, and they make you pay for like every bag. Um, and I don't think that's cool. Yeah, their price is cheap, but when you add the bags up, it's like you might as well just go fly Delta. My personal opinion, right? Um, so yeah, that was the earnings report for this week, for today. Sorry, excuse me, July 27th. Tomorrow, though, tomorrow is gonna be crazy. We got the big dogs: Apple, Amazon. Throw Roku in there. They reporting IBM in there as well too. It's gonna be spicy, y'all. I'm super geeked. I actually ran an Apple call that I was gonna swing. I got out of Apple and Amazon calls because I did not trust Meta and their earnings, and I was right. They did not hit. It didn't really affect the after hours that much, but it did come down. I'm glad I took my money. I'm glad I took my shillings right at the peak with Apple. And I kind of explained that in the trade recap. So go check that out when you get an opportunity. Hey, I ain't going to waste y'all time, man. It's going down. We're going to be reporting the earnings live tomorrow in the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, pull up. You know what I'm saying? I will record it. I will throw it on YouTube so you can see see my live reaction to Amazon and Apple. Is going to be bananas. I'm excited. I'm going to be running up, depending on what the market give me. I'm not going to be running some calls or puts, 50-50, right? That's the only thing you can run up. But depending on what they give me, I'm following the direction of it. And it's going to be a blast, man. We're going to throw an earnings party in the Discord. It's going up. So if you're not in the Discord, the link is in the bio. Hit the link. Join the Discord. Big, we have fun in Discord. It's family oriented. We talk about different plays. It's just, I got my traders there. We're giving out information. We're sharing information. We're sharing plays. But most importantly is that I'm not known to be a signal caller. Yes, I do share when I get in and out of plays, but I more so want to be an educator and teach you guys how to invest profitably, because ultimately I want y'all to be the best investor for yourself, so you can take that information, pass it to your family members, your kids, your nieces, nephews, etc., and let's start creating just doing smart money movement. You know what I mean? So, we teach. I share my plays there, but I don't, per se, like live off that. Like, oh, I got, join the Discord for signals or whatnot, whatever the case may be. We talk about cryptocurrency. We talk about long term stock holds, dividend plays, staking crypto. I love mining crypto, so I talk about that. Uh, Anything financial literacy, we talk about it, and then most importantly, we're just a big family. And I do giveaways too. So if that's something that fit and you want to try it out, I got 4 different tiers, 4 different monthly tiers, starting from $5.99, cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks, all the way up to $40.99 for my big dogs. You know what I'm saying? And each tier gives you a little bit more far as accessibility to me and portfolios and all types of other stuff, calls, merch, gear, all that type of stuff, discounts, one-on-one trainings and whatnot. The link is in the bio. Click it, check it out, try it out. No pressure. I still rock with y'all regardless if you're in the Discord or not, or you can just stay on YouTube and I'm constantly giving out free information on here. It's up to you, man. There's no pressure. If you do join, you can cancel anytime. Um, no love lost. I'm still rocking with you. Anyways, man, this video been long enough, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and this is not financial advice. Peace.